Now over here again, with your sounds are here, you will match your sound to your picture. Now your first sound, s, s. So what can be the picture that you are going to match it with? Now first you have an ink pot, apple, socks. This is number, this is 10, and pizza. So now S is, the sound is S. So what is the picture? Yes, you need to match it with socks. Socks. Yes, good. Next one is A. A. So what is the picture that you need to match it with? A? Right, apple. A. Apple. Okay. Next one you have T. T. So what is the picture that you're going to match it with? T. 10. Next sound is A. A. What is the picture that we are going to match it with? Ink pot. Yes, ink pot. Now again we have P. P. Yes, so yes, pizza, right? Pizza. Now again you have sound. So what is the picture we are going to match it with? Yes, 9. 9. So we will match with 9. Okay, so you got them all right. Now in the same way you have one again here. So this is, you can try out with this. Again you have, yes, the same sound, and you will match it with the word. This is an igloo, again a necklace, an ant, star. You have, yeah, you have over here your train. Okay, so shall we match that also? Now it's star. All right. Next is A. Yes, ant. Your next sound is T. Your next sound is T. Yes, to your sound, to your picture, train. Next one is A. A. Yes, igloo. Now, next you have P. P. Yes, what's the picture? Right, parrot. Parrot. Okay, and your last one is what's the picture? Necklace. Okay, so now you got all your sounds correct along with your picture. Now the last one here is, you need to color the beginning sound and then we shall write the word. You need to see the picture, you need to color the beginning sound of that picture, and then we shall write the spelling for it. Now you can see the picture of a sun, right? You can see the picture of a sun. So in these two, which is the correct sound? Sun. Which is the correct sound? Yes. So you need to color your sound. You need to color your sound. Yes, yes. For sun, your sound is S. Now, shall we write the spelling for it? Now, again, it is your sound is there. Sun. All right? Yes. Now, next one, you have a picture of a pig. Now, what's the sound? Pig. P. Pig. Yes. P. So, shall we color your sound? Now, shall we write the spelling too? It's pig. Okay. Next, you have an insect. You have, sorry, it's an ant. Next, you have an ant. Now, what is the sound? Ant. So, you need to color ant. You need to color ant and your spelling for it. Ant. Okay. Next one. It is, yes, the ink. Okay, let's go in. You can say it as ink pot or even the ink which is dropping. So, what is the sound? Ink. Your sound. We are coloring your sound. Now, let's write your spelling for ink. Ink. Okay. Now, the next one is a tent. Tent. Now, which is your sound? Yes. Tent. Now, shall we write the spelling for tent? Tent. Okay. And now, last one. We have a picture of the nest. Now, what's the sound? Nest. Nest. Yes. Let's color your sound. And now, let's write the spelling for it. Nest. Okay. So, all your activities are also done. Okay. And now, with this, we have completed your part 1 in your Jolly Phonics, and it is S, A, T, I, P and N.